I'm currently trying to remove my shoes because I can't drive with shoes. I know I'm not the only person that can't drive with shoes. Just hold on. I always remove them, like whenever I want to drive. I just can't do it at all. I feel like you guys already know where I'm going to. I feel like my life is so boring that you guys can predict whenever she's inside her car. Just know that she's probably going to the dentist, or she's going to the office, or she's going to the mall. Like, that is how boring my life has become. Like, there is nowhere else to go or nothing else to do. First Tuesday of every month is when I go to the dentist. Like, that's when I have my dental checkup. So that's where I'm going to right now, because today is Tuesday and it's the beginning of a new month. You guys, let me show you something. I am so scared. Let me show you something. Yeah. Can you guys see this? Yeah. So let me tell you, this thing was supposed to be in my mouth for the whole of February. Like, it was supposed to be in my mouth, but I didn't put it. It's just a rubber. So like, you're supposed to put it here and here, then connect it to the lower one. But I didn't do it. I didn't do it because it's very uncomfortable and it moves the teeth. Like, once you put it, your teeth starts to move and it's painful. So whenever I want to eat, it hurts a lot. Like, when you want to eat, you're supposed to remove it. Of course, when you want to eat, you remove it, but still, you see that moment before you eat, even after you've removed it, it's still hot. So the whole of February, I didn't put this on. Like, I have a pack in the house. They'll give you a pack in the house to be putting it, changing it every day. So if you guys notice, you didn't see it in my mouth the whole of February. So now the problem is that my dentist is going to notice that I didn't use it at all. So I'm praying that he does not notice, because if he should notice, it was supposed to be in my February treatment plan. So if he should notice, it means he's going to like move it into the March treatment plan, and it means that I'm going to use it for the whole of March. I'm just praying he does not notice, and I'm praying that he's like, oh, your teeth is fine, your teeth is fine, let's move on to the next treatment plan. But that guy, there is no how. From there, I have makeup shopping. I'm so excited. My makeup has finished. It's been a long time I entered Sephora, guys. Like, it's been whenever I go to the mall, I always get clothes, I always get shoes, I always get other things, but today it's just going to be for makeup shopping alone. Then that will be the end of my day. Happy new month. Anyways, I speak life into this new month. Open doors for you guys. I bless you guys. This new month to give you guys favor, grace, blessing. Okay, so my attempt to deceive my dentist did not go as planned at all. Immediately he saw my teeth, he just knew that I didn't do anything. He was like, I did not do anything. There's no how I want to hide this one. Like, there is no how. My braces are so well hidden that when I talk, you won't even know that I'm putting on braces till I smile so hard. This one, even if I say the smallest thing, like hi, hey, it is so visible. Like, ew, I just cannot deal. But anyhow, Sha.
Talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers. Oh, this trip and lots of time, but it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, when you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours.
So I am finally done for the day. So I don't know if I should do my makeup haul here in the car, show you guys what I got, or I should just get home and show you guys what I got. But the thing is that when I get home, I know that I'm going to be extremely tired and exhausted, so I won't want to come in front of the camera with tired face. That's why I'm like, okay, let me just do it in the car before I get home. So I got things from Sephora and I got things from MAC. I was so tempted to go into other stores. I was like, focus. I came for makeup only. If you guys notice, I've removed the rubber in the front because I had something to eat inside the mall, and when you're eating, you're supposed to like remove it. Then when you're done eating, you put it back. But I'm gonna put it back when I get to the house. I don't even have time for that. I've been using NARS. NARS is like the perfect foundation for me, but I've never used this particular NARS before. This is the Sheer Glow. The one I usually use is the Matte Long Radiance. I think that's the name of it. This one is so I don't know. When I saw it, I was like, are you sure this is the same ml? But apparently it's actually the same, but this one is very small, and my shade is, why I even changed was because they didn't have my shade in the long one, the one that I usually use. This is the shade. I don't think you guys can see it enough, but this is medium dark 5, and that's what I got. Okay, I love this foundation, guys. This is the best. Since I started using NARS, I have never looked at any other foundation. And I got brow pencil Benefits in color 6. I got this new Fenty Beauty Heat lip gloss, this new one. I got this one in Fenty Glow. This is actually the best seller. This Fenty Glow is actually the best seller, so I got it. Then I got Huda Beauty lipstick. Oh my god, I wanted to get one. The lipstick I wanted to get from Huda Beauty is called Board Meeting, but they didn't have Board Meeting. In fact, Board Meeting was sold out, and I really wanted Board Meeting, so I just decided to get Game Night. This is the shade, but I got a similar color of Board Meeting. I got it in MAC Cosmetics, so I don't think I'm angry like that. Then I got Fenty Beauty blush. I had this, it has finished, guys. Most of these things, they finished. Okay, this is not like my first time trying them out. These are the things I use on my face, so I just went to go and restock. Like, once I find out something that works for me, whenever it finishes, I go and restock. Like, I don't get something new. Then I got a concealer brush from Huda Beauty because I don't have concealer brush from Huda Beauty. So that's basically everything I got from Sephora. And they don't give me gifts today. I'm so mad. Why didn't they give me gifts? I was expecting my gift because they usually give me gifts. Whenever I enter Sephora, I get gifts. Like, I come out with gifts like skincare, perfumes, makeup. Then from MAC Cosmetics, so I got their lip pencils in Cock and Chestnut. Then I got a lipstick. I also got another blush again in MAC. This is from their new collection. I just really love the way it was looking. Blush. I got a setting spray from MAC because I don't have setting spray. I successfully went in, did what I wanted to do, did not spend so much time. This is almost 3 p.m. and I'm successfully out. I didn't come out with extra bags. I am very happy with myself that I didn't come out with extra bags. Hi guys, I just finished filming a YouTube video and I'm late. I'm rushing. Today is, what's this? This Thursday. I am going to the beach. Okay, it is giving what it's supposed to give. I'm so excited. I look so good. Let me show you guys what I'm putting on. Even though I'm late, but I still have to show you guys what I'm putting on. Also, if you haven't seen the video where I did my makeup and answered your questions, I'm gonna leave the link, so go see it. Okay, this is the outfit though. I love this. This is my bikini. I got this from Misguided. So pretty. Okay, I got this shirt. I didn't even know it was gonna fit till I decided to just try it on, and it looks so good. I got this from, I think I got this from PLT. Okay, I got this bikini from Misguided. Also this from Misguided too. Okay, let me wear slippers. I'm putting this on because they are very comfortable. Very comfortable for me. Then I'm also carrying my bag. I have so many things inside this bag. I have my shoe inside because I want to take pictures, so I want to change. I don't want to wear slippers, so I have my shoe inside. Your girl is late, but she's still dancing. Your girl is late, but she's still dancing. Your girl is late, but she's still dancing.
I usually don't like nobody, and when I say nobody, I need nobody. All these niggas full of shit. You just to hold me once they hit. Then they're giving up on love. These niggas almost made me quit. When I met you, I knew this was it. I've never been in love like this. A love like that. I prayed for it on my knees every night for some hours. And hours and hours and hours and hours. And now I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. What's yours is mine, and yours mine, and I can sit and talk to you for hours, sit and look at you for hours, making love to you for hours, laying on your chest for hours, telling you jokes for hours, holding it close for hours, and now,
Hi guys, today's Friday. I have errands to run. I want to quickly get to the mall, so I got invited to a party, pajamas slumber party all night, you know. So yeah, I got invited, but the problem is that I don't have pajamas. I don't have, so I want to quickly go and get at the mall, because that's the only place you can get. I tried to order from their website, but the delivery date is not till Wednesday next week, and the sleepover is on Saturday, and today is Friday. Okay, so that means it's tomorrow. So I just think I'll just end up going inside, like going into the mall and buying it there immediately and coming out again. Honestly, I didn't feel like going anywhere today. Today is Friday and I just wanted to rest, but I feel like if I don't do this, I can't do it tomorrow morning, because I'm going to be busy tomorrow morning. So I just figured, let me just do it today. So I'm gonna get to the mall, get the pajamas and get food, because I'm starving. I need to eat, and there's no particular place in the mall that their food is so nice. Like, they sell what I love to eat, so I'm going to get it. And like, I really can't wait. I've been craving it for a very long time.
Screw that, screw you. You will never have to hurt the way you know that I do.
your body moving, and it's driving me crazy. And I don't have to decide as a year until I saw you dancing. Then when you walk up on the dance floor, nobody can ignore the way you move your body up. And everything's so inspected the way you roll. Hey, come on! And if I had a class like this, you make a man wanna speak Spanish. Come and sit on my seat, and that Shakira, Shakira. Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be right in, reading the signs of my pocket. Hey girl, you know my hips don't lie. I'm sorry, they shake. Real slow, don't you see, baby? Hey, me like a banana, balance, say, balance, see. Hey, yes, she's so sexy. Let's go, baby, this is perfecto. Hey girl, how tonight? I get this song is on tonight. They don't know about this one. I cannot relax. Fergalicious. That's finished. You know Fergalicious. That's finished. Like, I'm not going to overdid this song. I'm not going to do tomorrow.
Heart was super hard at 23. I'm thinking about her. People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey now, hey, take me into your loving arms. Hey, kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh Lord, even on your pretty heart. Baby, we found love right where we are.
This is my friend Juliana.
Hi, welcome guys. Oh, okay. Don't mind us that we dragged you out again instead of she came back. Oh, it's not just